Hello, good day everyone. Today we decided to paint outside with my friend and we choose this wonderful landscape because we see there a ruin of a house. We want to capture this beauty on our canvas. So we decided to paint this. It was 3 p.m. in the afternoon and we decided to paint it on our canvas. I just like the landscape everyone because as you see it was not perfect. But I like to capture the texture of the ruined house. I like to imagine what it was, the life there. It might be full of memories, laughter inside these rooms. I like also the background, as you can see there, a lot of corns, newly planted corns. I like the sunlight on this time everyone. As you see it was bright. I can see the real colors of the greens, of the shades, and even the shadows. When I paint, I always start with construction lines. Some few sketches. I like to think that it's like that I am the one who built this house. I want to feel how to construct a house like a real engineer. It was a great day everyone, painting on this field. And I like the sun touching my skin. It was warm and wonderful. Just enjoy the view everyone as we progress and finish this painting. That's it everyone. Thank you for watching this outdoor painting video. See you next time on our next outdoor painting.